Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. It's a warm day here in Minnesota and we've been outside working in the garden and with the animals. Coming to you today with a thrift haul. I have a thrift haul and then some marketplace scores, and I'm going to actually add some pictures into at the end of some thrift pieces I picked up. I'll try to remember to put the prices I paid for them on them. But I only had like 4 things from last week, and then there's some marketplace things that are out in my garage, and I don't want to go out there right now because it's hot. So I'm just going to jump in. I'm going to actually twist this and show you this pile. Whoa. Is actually a marketplace find. We paid $15 for this whole big pile. I'll go through and show you one by one. Now, not all of these will be flipped. Some of these are going to end up going in my garage sale pile because I don't know how I would upcycle them. So if you have ideas, make sure to let me know because I'll pull them out of my garage sale pile. But I'm going to start with this $15 pile and then we'll go into the yard sale or the thrift store. So this is one of the items we got for $15. She paid $4.50 for this at a thrift store. This will get upcycled. I'm making 2 piles here, so give me a sec. This piece here, well, I'll pull off the barbed wire and do something with this. Probably give it a whitewash or something. And this shelf will get sanded down and remove the apple stuff and then repainted and prettified. These next ones, this is definitely yard sale. I don't see a way to upcycle these at all. So I'll probably put them either in a free box at the yard sale or really, really cheap. This will get upcycled. She paid $2 for this at a thrift store. I can tell you these are not current prices at the thrift store she got these at because they've gone through the roof since the pandemic. So this will get painted up and distressed and made all cute. This piece here, I am going to pop the heart and the twine off. In fact, I just took part of it off. Scrape the glue and then redo that. This will probably be yard sale. This is just a wood eagle. I don't see a way to redo this, and it's no longer 4th of July or Memorial Day, so I'm not sure how I would even upcycle that one. This says I love cows. She paid $3 for this. I'm undecided. We do live in a farming community, but I just don't see it. So this will probably go in my yard sale pile as well. And this will probably go in the yard sale pile as well because I know it's cottage cores back or in. I don't know if hearts are in that because it just doesn't seem like it. She paid $3.50 for this one. But that'll probably be yard sale. So far I've got, I think, 4 things in my yard sale pile. This little spice rack will get updated and made all cute. Oh, I'm going to turn it this way. I like that. And I actually have some spice jars I can throw in it to stage it with. And then this is so funny that this was in this pile of $15 because I almost bought one of these when we went thrifting yesterday for paper towels or for your towels. It just needs some paint and made pretty. And that was our $15 pile. And then the rest of the stuff is from a couple different trips through Goodwill. And we did have coupons this week because we actually got virtual coupons. Both me and Katie got coupons and we used them on different trips. So let's just jump into this. I think all of this was 25% off of all of it. So this is, I don't know if you can see this without me popping it open. It's just some bun feet, little wooden bun feet. I paid $3.99 minus the 25%. So these are much more expensive than that in the store for 1. So good find, and it had all 4. Normally when I find these at Goodwill, you find 1 or 2 and you don't find the rest. So I was really happy to get those. I bought this clock. I've been looking for another clock to flip since my last one. I don't see a price. I want to say this was, oh, there it is, $4.99. It's got a little drawer. It's a bit, I don't know, not typically a style I would do, but it's got some potential. So we're gonna get this painted all up and upcycled. I bought this crock. You know I love the Crocs with the blue stripes. This was $5.99. I have not decided if I'm keeping it, if I'm putting something on. I'll probably leave it plain since it does have the stripes. Whoa, I just rolled my screwdriver. We found some wooden candlesticks, some nice big chunky ones for pillars. These were $3.99 each. Again, all this was minus 25%. I was looking to see if they had an original price on it. I do not see it. Yeah, I don't see it, but super cute. I like the chunkiness, and the same with this one. I really like the chunkiness. This was $3.99 as well. This jewelry box was $2.99. It's got like an off-white inside, just a little drawer and a little top part. The felt's in decent condition. It's not terrible. Mirror's still in there. But I've been looking for another one of these to flip since I finished that last one. I got some bookends. Now, these were $2.99 each. Okay. These I got them because I figured cottagecore, granny chic, get these all painted up either like a tealy color or something really soft and pretty. But I liked those. They were cute. I'm still having problems holding things, hence why I dropped them. I got these metal pieces. These were $3.99 each. And I got two. They're matching. These will get probably a primer coat on these of spray paint, and then I will paint over them and just stress back that primer coat. I got this tray. It is wood, but it does have like the wood is up right here. So I'm gonna clamp that, glue it, clamp it. This was $4.99. That was pretty cute. It's a cost plus piece, but that's got some good potential. And last but not least, I feel like we had so much more than this, but this was $4.99, which is cheap for a bread box. I haven't found one this cheap in a while, unless it was a yard sale. It is pretty dang clean. This is not even, as you can see, it's just totally scraping off. So I'm gonna sand this flat, wash her up, and then repaint it and do what I do with those. And that is everything. I'm gonna post after this some pictures of some, I was gonna say flea market, but that's not it, marketplace finds, and my other items. I have like two of them here. This little tiny crock that is a Roseville piece. My chocolate covered coffee beans are in there. This little pitcher, USA pottery. I don't have the prices on them anymore because I did pull them off already. I got this. I've got all those. Did I show you guys my shutters? I got all those shutters, and I need greenery for them, so that will go on one of the shutters. I had gotten this little drawer. You'll see before pictures of this. Looks all nice, cute, and chippy. This was not looking like this. This hangs like this. I think it's super cute. What else did we get? There's one more thing over here I can reach. Just this little bowl. I don't think I showed you guys this yet. But those, I'll still run the pictures after this, including my stuff that's out in the garage. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you have any ideas on the stuff I put in my yard sale pile, let me know. I am up for any kind of ideas somebody might have. And we will see y'all next time. Bye.